Alright, this is the biggest bucket that you can get from, I guess, anywhere for the 6015. And it's about 9.5 inches wide. And this is a bucket that I made. And it's 10.25 inches wide. And you can see it's about 3/4 of an inch deeper. It's just a big bucket. So let's run this new bucket through its paces and see how it does.
Bucket's mounted on my brother's 6015, and Eric's given it its first run. I gotta say, it really works well, and it's got just an amazing capacity to it. The bucket's gonna get painted. I'm gonna put a self-etching primer on and then follow up with some black enamel paint. But we just wanted to try it out first, and if there's any adjustments that need to be made, well, we can do it without damaging the paint. And I don't think anything needs to be done to it. We'll get it painted, and since making this video, I've made a second bucket that I'm going to put on my 6015, and that one's going to get painted right off the bat because it's pretty much identical to this one. So I really like it. Eric likes it too.
Well, that's the big monster bucket that we made, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. You can see how much dirt it has moved in just 5 minutes. It's incredible.